morning, you all. Today was sea day, which means it was nowhere docked, the ship was only on the sea on the way. Unfortunately, it was also a little stormy, as you can certainly see at the pool. But to relax you could use this day quite wonderful. And that's what we did. We relaxed a lot and enjoyed the good food. In the evening there was a music show at the Taj Mahal, and it was not bad, so we want to show you some excerpts here. So that I do not have to talk between, I would like to say goodbye to you already. We hope you liked our little video, and if you did, we would be happy to see you again next week. Until then, it only remains for me to say, stay or become healthy.
I've been up to my neck, working 6 days a week, wearing holes in the soles to the shoes of my feet.